I got hooked by the song. I fell in love with the song, and that's how I originally came, and started, learning, memorizing Gaelic songs, um, and I and once I tried to get deeper into the singing, then it was, well, I really need to learn the language better. I find that teachers just, they almost all of them start out. Some classes maybe a lot in Gaelic, but it seems like the teachers are always aware if there's someone that isn't speaking and doesn't understand Gaelic well or not at all, then they take time for you to figure out, what they want you to do. I think there was one year where they didn't have the Gaelic in the morning, and in the early years when I was coming, I was only here for the music, and I would some days get up to do the Gaelic, but I didn't push that very hard. Now, if there's no Gaelic now they have it all day long. You can take it as a major, which is great, but I want the music too. So to have that one class in the day that anybody can take Gaelic is great. For me, it's coming back to, in America we romanticize these places, and for me, coming back here, it's part of my look at where my people came from, my Scottish side of my family came from, and it's, for some of us, it's such an integral part of our lives. We look forward to it all year long. I realize immediately after I leave the Outer Hebrides, I can't speak Gaelic to just anybody. Out here, I can speak. This is my opportunity to push myself to speak Gaelic. But mostly, I want to thank the people that put on this festival and keep it going, because it's an experience like no other. We go back home to Seattle and we tell people, if you're interested in Gaelic, you should go to Scotland. You should go to Ceolas. You should go to one of the festivals or whatnot, and really experience what those people are like, and how they carry their tradition. And because it's a beautiful, beautiful way that these people carry their tradition with the Ceolas, and with the teaching, and with the bringing in the young people to learn the piping and the fiddling and step dance, and these things that, if nobody is organizing something in some way for these people, for kids to learn this stuff, it'll die off. So modern time. I think another part of I met my wife at Ceolas. I was looking and she was minding her own business, but it's made me one of the happiest. It's the happiest time of my life, So it's a great place to come and meet lovely people. So all you guys out there, there's beautiful women here.